You're wondering whether or not Thailand has laundromats? Well, stop wondering, because Thailand does have laundromats. We're at Maypro, wash and dry. Here in Chiang Mai, our building, condos, that building over there, it was a quick walk. We're here to wash our comforter, which we have a washer at home, but of course the comforter is so big that it doesn't fit inside of the washer. So of course they have much bigger washers to hold larger loads. This washer here pretty much holds 22 kilos, and we just put our comforter in. Total cost, pretty modern, as you can see, man. Like seriously, 80 baht. I think that's like $1.50. Offer Wi-Fi service, CCTV, no smoking, change machine. You don't have to bring soap. There's soap for you. A vending machine to buy soap, trash. Really cool. And this place is open 24/7. There's the camera. There's a fan going. So you can actually just come and hang out. There are actually outlets here, so if you wanted to get some work done, then you can do exactly that. And over here against the wall, we got 8 dryers. And then we got a really big dryer up there. So yeah, if you're thinking about moving to Thailand, living in Chiang Mai, why not? It is modern as back in the US or another first world country. Like I said, I'm on Nimman, and what you can see, that building right there, it says Space Time. That's a dispensary. I think it's a 24-hour dispensary. If not, they're open really, really early in the morning. If you got to get your smoke on while your laundry is getting done. Yeah, just wanted to share this experience with you. This is actually our first time doing laundry here at a laundry. I want to add this. There's actually a shoe washing machine. I almost missed that. Like,
you like to wash it in just a regular.
I do. I prefer to wash my shoes.
Look at that though.
Oh my God, that's real. I've never seen this before.
Now that's how you wash my shoes.
This is cool as shit. I had never. Oh my goodness. That's crazy, folks. Yo, that's crazy. What do you think?
I've never seen that
That's
before.
insane.